Bring it up. In here in the Tools menu, you will see something called the Command Palette. And the Command Palette contains every single button that Avid uses. On the bottom here, it says button to button reassignment. And this is a way that you can remap any button you want on the interface to any button on the screen that you need to. So let's say in this blank space here, I like this button here called Top and Tail. I'm gonna take this, I'm just gonna drag this down, put this here, and put Tail right here and have a Top and Tail button. We're gonna go to the source browser, there's some space over here. We're gonna grab Make Subclip and put Make Subclip right here. Now, we can also go further and map menu items. So over here it says button to button reassignment, and then over here it says menu to button reassignment. We can click maybe here and say, at this point, we wanna map something else to the timeline here. And we'll say Tools, Audio Tool, so that anytime we wanna bring up the audio tool, we can click on that and we'll bring up the audio tool. I'm gonna go to Command-Shift equal to open up the settings, File Settings, and look at the keyboard. There's actually several different keyboards inside of Avid, but if we go here to this first keyboard here, we can look at this keyboard, and we can look at some keys that I may wanna change. For example, there's a key here under the H key called Focus. And I'm gonna go here and say button to button reassignment, and I'll just add a red marker on the H key and make the H key a red marker. You can also hold down the Shift key and get all the Shift buttons. The Shift key will allow you to change the buttons as you need to under the Shift category as well.